So here it is, as promised and requested by you guys. It's the Sony Xperia case roundup, thanks to mobilefun.co.uk. Those guys over there are awesome. They sent me over some of the best cases for this phone, the Xperia XZ3, and I'm going to show them to you guys now. And if you like the look of any of these cases, you can follow the link below this video to mobilefun.co.uk where you can pick them up. They've always got awesome deals running, so definitely go check out that website. And it's not just Xperia cases, you can pretty much get cases for any phone out there right now. But anyway, let's crack on with this video. So the first case I'm going to look at today is from Elixir, and they call it the Sentinel case. And the good thing about this one is it actually comes with a glass screen protector with it, and you can see there 360-degree protection. It's lightweight and it's got a textured grip. Let's try this thing on. So here it is, the Elixir Sentinel case, and I must admit this is the first case I've tried and I really like this case. Look at the finish there, and you've got that carbon fiber sort of grip area as well. Really nice. And also the way the cutout is around the fingerprint reader is going to make that fingerprint sensor easier to find, and that is one of the problems with this phone. The other problem with this phone I mentioned in my 1 month later review, and that is the fact that this might be the slipperiest phone you could buy right now. So you absolutely do need a case. And I mentioned in that video, have you ever seen that sport called curling? Well, if you have one of these phones, you don't need the ice. This is an awesome option right here. Now let's look at the glass screen protector. And Elixir are actually nice enough to put in some wipes here for the screen, and also some little stickers so that you can get any dust off the screen before you put the glass on. So one of the cool things about this screen glass here is actually curved at the edges, and it's actually blacked out the top and bottom edges, and you've just got the cutouts there for the sensors and the earpiece, and even for the Sony logo at the bottom. Let's put this thing on and see how it looks. Well, that was incredibly easy to do, and there's no bubbles in it as well, so that's really awesome. Now the front and the back of the phone are fully protected, and that's the Elixir Sentinel case and screen glass. Really awesome. Love the case on its own, but that screen glass that comes with it is actually pretty good. So here's another case from Elixir. It's the FlexiShield for the Xperia XZ3. These are available for other devices as well. Let's have a look at this one. So you can see why they call it the FlexiShield. This is a gel case. Let's put this thing on. So there we go, the case is on, and the screen glass is also still on as well. No problems with that at all. Screen glass is actually really nice. It goes right to the edge of the screen, so it's going to protect all of that, even the curved edges. Nice screen glass from Elixir. And this case is really minimal. You've got this kind of nice texture under the gel. It's kind of see-through, so you can see the Xperia writing there as well. Got a nice amount of grip to it as well, so you're not going to drop that. And that is one of the biggest problems with this phone, as I mentioned earlier, the slipperiness. This adds a lot of texture there. Good case and fairly inexpensive too. If you want to check this out, follow the link below this video. So next up is this one. It's less is more, single fit label for the Xperia XZ3. I've never seen one of these cases before. I think they call this one the VRS. This has got a little bit of flex to it, and that little red stripe there kind of reminds me of Prada a little bit. Nice little look there. Let's try this thing on. So this is definitely a nice case, and I really like this one. It gives it a really premium feel. It does bulk up the phone just a little bit, but it does feel like if you drop this phone, it's going to be pretty secure inside here. And that amount of grip on the back as well is always handy. And again, the cutout there emphasizes the fingerprint reader, which is going to help you find that if you have this phone. It works really well with the Sentinel glass as well. No problems. It reaches right down the edges. It's like you don't even know it's there. I really like this case. This is the VRS case. You can get it at mobilefun.co.uk. Follow the link below this video if you want to check this one out. So next up is this one. It's the Rocksfit Precision Slim Soft Touch Shell for the Xperia XZ3. Really nice packaging on this one. You've got the color match soft touch shell on the back. You've got ultra slim design, form fitted, hard construction. So this case is really awesome. It gives it really premium feel. That soft touch is really nice. I really like that. Awesome case here. It doesn't offer much protection down the edges. It doesn't wrap all the way around like a lot of the other cases do. But if you're looking for a premium finish, this could be a good option for you. Really like this one. That's the Rocksfit case. Right, so I've saved the best for last, and also the most expensive for last. It's the official Xperia XZ style cover touch. And let's try this thing on. Okay, so this case is definitely the most expensive, but it also looks the most expensive as well. It kind of combines everything that we've looked at already, but then adds something else new on the front. But this back here has got that soft touch feel like you saw on the Rocksfit. You got the cutout, which really enhances that fingerprint sensor on the back. But then the cool thing is, this front side of the phone actually has a cover which protects the glass. And look, it's even detected that it is a style cover. So let's set it to style cover. So there we go. Let's open the phone with the cover closed, log in with the fingerprint, and you can actually use the phone through the cover itself. So that's really, really cool. Check that out. So you got the phone closed, but you can pretty much do anything without opening it. So that is really, really cool. And then if you want the full quality of this beautiful OLED screen, then you can just flip it open and use it like that. And also right now the Sentinel screen glass is on the phone as well. It works perfectly with this case. And because it's an official Sony case, when it opens and closes, it knows it's open and closed. So that's really cool as well. This is definitely going to keep your phone fully protected. There's a bit of exposure down the side there though. But apart from that, this might give you the most protection out of all of the cases that I've shown you so far. I do like this one. I think this might be the one that I keep on the phone. Although I have to say, I really do like that first one I looked at, which was the Sentinel case. What do you guys think? Which one was the best out of these phone cases for the Xperia? If you're getting an Xperia XZ3 or even an Xperia XZ2, I highly recommend you get a case. And you can find a massive selection of them at mobilephone.co.uk. Definitely go check those guys out, and a big thumbs up to you guys for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, Hulk smash that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next one, so don't be late.